where we explore the world of business and entrepreneurship. Today, we're diving into the vibrant restaurant and fast food industry in Africa. If you're interested in starting your own restaurant or fast food business, this video will guide you through the essential steps, the machinery you'll need, and effective marketing strategies to boost sales. Let's get started by exploring why the restaurant industry in Africa is an exciting opportunity. Contact us for any machines or business needs in Africa. The restaurant industry in Africa is booming, driven by a growing urban population, rising disposable income, and a love for diverse cuisines. Here's why starting a restaurant or fast food business in Africa is a lucrative venture: urbanization and population growth. As more people move to cities, there's a growing demand for restaurants and fast food outlets. The need for convenient and diverse dining options creates opportunities for new businesses. Diverse culinary traditions. Africa is home to a rich tapestry of culinary traditions. This diversity offers a unique opportunity to create restaurants or fast food businesses that cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Tourism and hospitality. The tourism industry is a significant driver for the restaurant business, with visitors seeking local cuisines and unique dining experiences. This opens the door for restaurants and fast food businesses in popular tourist destinations. Host. Now that we understand the opportunity, let's discuss the key steps to start a successful restaurant or fast food business in Africa. Determine the type of restaurant or fast food business you want to start. Will it be a sit-down restaurant, a food truck, a fast food outlet, or a cafe? Define your menu and target audience, considering the local culinary culture and trends. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your concept, menu, pricing strategy, target market, marketing plan, and financial projections. A well-structured business plan is essential for securing funding and guiding your business's growth. Decide on your business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Consult with legal and financial experts to understand the implications of each structure and ensure compliance with local regulations. Secure the necessary licenses and permits to operate a restaurant or fast food business. This may include health permits, business licenses, and food safety certifications. Ensure compliance with local food safety regulations and zoning laws. Determine how much capital you'll need to start your business. This includes costs for equipment, location, staff, and initial inventory. Consider various funding sources, such as personal savings, bank loans, or investors. Choose a location with high foot traffic and visibility. Consider factors like accessibility, parking, and proximity to your target market. The right location is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Invest in the necessary equipment for your restaurant or fast food business. This may include industrial ovens, grills, fryers, refrigerators, freezers, food processors, and cash registers. Choose durable, high-quality equipment to ensure efficient operations. Hire skilled staff, including chefs, cooks, waitstaff, and cashiers. Provide training to ensure they meet your business's standards for customer service and food safety. A well-trained team is key to your restaurant's success. Host. Now that we've covered the basic steps to start a restaurant or fast food business, let's explore effective marketing strategies to help you attract customers and increase sales. To make your restaurant or fast food business successful, you need a strong marketing strategy. Here are some effective approaches to attract more customers and boost sales. Develop a unique brand identity that reflects your restaurant's concept and resonates with your target audience. Create a memorable logo, design a cohesive interior, and choose a distinctive color palette. Produce valuable content that showcases your menu, culinary techniques, and behind-the-scenes stories. Share this content on your website, social media, and other platforms to engage with your audience and build brand awareness. Attract customers by offering promotions and special deals, such as happy hours, discounts, or combo meals. Consider loyalty programs to encourage repeat business and customer referrals. Partner with local influencers and food bloggers to promote your restaurant or fast food business. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and create buzz around your brand. Participate in local food festivals, street markets, or community events to showcase your food and connect with potential customers. These events provide excellent opportunities for brand exposure and networking. Location is key to a successful restaurant. Choose a spot with high foot traffic and visibility. Consider accessibility, parking, and proximity to your target audience. The right location can make a significant difference in attracting customers. 5. Acquire equipment and setup. Your kitchen. Invest in quality equipment such as industrial ovens, grills, fryers, refrigerators, freezers, and food processors. Your equipment should match your menu and concept. Ensure your kitchen is set up for efficiency and safety. 6. Hire and train your team. Your staff is the backbone of your business. Hire skilled cooks, chefs, waitstaff, and cashiers. Provide training in customer service, food safety, and company policies. A well-trained team ensures smooth operations and satisfied customers. Create an inviting atmosphere for your restaurant. Consider factors like lighting, seating arrangements, and decor. A pleasant environment enhances the dining experience and encourages repeat business. Host. Now that we've covered the foundational steps, let's discuss the machines and equipment you'll need to run your restaurant or fast food business efficiently. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to connect with customers and promote your restaurant. Share high-quality photos and videos of your food, customer testimonials, and special offers. Customer service and the overall dining experience play a crucial role in the success of your restaurant or fast food business. Here's how to ensure your customers have a positive experience. Train your staff to deliver friendly and efficient customer service. Greet customers warmly, address their needs promptly, and ensure they have a pleasant dining experience. Design your restaurant's interior to be inviting and comfortable. Consider factors like lighting, seating arrangements, and music to create a positive ambiance. Ensure your restaurant complies with food safety regulations and maintains high standards of cleanliness. Conduct regular inspections and train your staff in food safety practices. Encourage customers to provide feedback on their experience. Use this feedback to make improvements and show customers that you value their opinions. Segment 5. Challenges and how to overcome them. Starting a restaurant or fast food business comes with its challenges. Here are some common challenges and how to overcome them. The restaurant business can be costly, with expenses for rent, utilities, equipment, and staff salaries. Manage costs by negotiating with suppliers, optimizing energy use, and controlling inventory. The restaurant industry is competitive. Differentiate your business by offering unique menu items, excellent customer service, and a memorable dining experience. High staff turnover is common in the restaurant industry. Create a positive work environment and offer competitive wages and benefits to retain staff. Compliance with food safety regulations is critical. Stay informed about local regulations and conduct regular training to ensure compliance. The host in a restaurant kitchen, summarizing the key points and offering. Starting a successful restaurant or fast food business in Africa requires careful planning, a strong focus on customer service, and effective marketing strategies. By following the steps we've outlined, you can build a thriving business that brings joy and great food to your community. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business in Africa. Until next time, keep cooking and creating amazing dining experiences.